Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're doing a curbside video for the week of December the 28th to January the 3rd. You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And we do have quite a few freebies if we can line up the deal perfectly. So curbside pickup, again, as I was saying, you're going to order the stuff through the app, pay for it, and then drive to the store and picking it up, and you're hitting the box on the left hand side with the green check. For all the new couponers out there that are just picking up Walgreens couponing, I have a video on how to shop the store, curbside, in store, what's a register reward, what's a booster. I will link this at the very end. It's also in the notes. Check out this video. And the only update that I have for Christmas clearance is over at Walmart. General Christmas merchandise is 75% off, and food went 50 as of Monday, December the 29th. This is in store. If you start looking for this stuff in the app, it's probably going to be some weird and goofy price because it's a third-party seller selling these items on the Walmart app. Yesterday, I did publish an in-store video. Lots of very cheap items, cheap Olay, cheap poise pads, the cheap Purex. Can I say cheap again? You might want to check out this video. I will link it at the end. It involves the register rewards. Curbside does not, but in-store does, in-store shopping. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Or alternatively, if you have the hype button, if you want to press it for this video, I would be so grateful. Let's not waste any more time and get right into the first curbside deal. So for this one, and I'm only doing one video, we're going to need this friend. And let's not forget, class, it expires on the 31st, which is Wednesday. And we're also going to need the little sister to this one, the 5-back when you buy 3 P&G dental care products. That's $15 back right off the bat. Okay, so the first thing you're tossing into the basket is 2 of the Centrum Vitamin Adult Vitamins, whatever. $14.99, buy one, get one for $1. And then we have a $4.50 off of 1 digital coupon. You just go down below the item and then press the plus button to activate the coupon. Then we're grabbing 3 of these poise pads, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Again, load that. Buy 3 of these, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So that is really fantastic. And then we're also going to grab 3 of these toothbrushes for $3.50 each for $10.50. And we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So please load that one. Okay, so just to show you the cute little course line, Centrum, Crest, Poise, FSA 25, $3.75 melting off, along with $1.15 with WAG 10. So those two are in fact stacking. The overall total for your basket is $47.49. $4.90 melting off, but we're still at that $40 threshold for the spend $40 to earn back $10. Free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax, $15.50 melting off with our digital coupons. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $28.76. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster. You're getting back $25, 10 for Poise, 5 for Oral-B, and then a 10 for the spending $40 on the basket. So not factoring in the tax, and if you possibly can still get the $1.50 back from IBOTTA for the Poise pads, there's a little $1.50 rebate. It'll make your whole basket completely free. Okay, the next basket that we're looking at, we are going to be grabbing some Maybelline, depending what your store has on clearance. I'm going to show you just a whole bunch of items there. We have a $3 digital coupon and the items that it's attaching. This Dream Matte Mousse, that's a really great foundation, would make it 49 cents. Original price, $13.99, so we're thinking like almost 14 bucks. 49 cents. This lipstick would be completely for free with that $3 digital. You can only do this one curbside because in store that $3 coupon will not reduce down. Unfortunately not. And another freebie would be that washable mascara, the Volume Express. And then another 49 center would be that fiber extension washable mascara. That seems like a dream as well. And then another 49 cents is this Matte Ink City Edition lipstick. So it would be 49 cents after your $3 digital coupon. So also to the basket, we're going to throw in a couple Sally Hansen nail products, and we have a $2 store coupon. So you can add more than one nail polish. They'll be 49 cents after the Walgreens coupon. So I'm grabbing one of these, and then one of these cuticle oils. For whatever stupid reason at this one store, I could only put one per. I couldn't get like 15 nail polishes. Maybe they had low inventory, or I was just being altogether too greedy. So they're like only one of each. The final item we're throwing in, because it's going to be New Year's, let's put in 3 of these Doritos chips for $10.50. And just to show you the $4 coming off for the 2 Sally Hansen products, are $3 for that gorgeous Maybelline, and then $1.05 for using the code WAG10. So nothing too shabby there. The overall total is $18.97, $5.05 melting off with the Sally Hansen and WAG10. $3 digital also coming off, $11.19 if you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.19. I think this is a very smart basket. Deal number 3. Now, we don't get a lot of deals on specifically Tampax, but there's a lot of Tampax coupons. 3 off 2, so 2 of these 18 counters is $15.98. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but this is one product I have to buy. It has to be Tampax. I'm not going to go Walgreens generic or Dollar General generic. It has to be Tampax. Not negotiable. So that 3 off 2 digital coupon, I need something to make the math balance. So I'm going with this clearance candy. I just typed in clearance candy, and this is what populated for me, this little sweet tart ropes for $1.49. So just to show you guys our savings, we have the $3 off 2 melting off, and then FSA 25 taking $3.24 off for that box of Tampax, or the 2 boxes of Tampax. So that is not too shabby. The overall total is $17.47, $3.25 melting off with that FSA code, and then another $3 coming off. So the total is $11.23 if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.23. By all means, go and make it happen. This is a very good deal for some inexpensive Tampax. This final deal, you can either do curbside or in-store. We're grabbing 2 of these Cokes for $13. That is not a bad price point. Michigan, we have a recycling fee. So depending where you live, you might or might not have it. We have to pay that. And then when you return the cans, you get all the money back. It is what it is. And then 2 of these pizzas for $10. So if you're having a little New Year's party, or if you just want like extra food in the house, that's fantastic. But for the balance, if you might have register rewards, say from Colgate or Tresemme, and you want to throw these in to get a smaller out of pocket, I think that's the way to do it, because you can't use a coupon code or discount code with this, because these are sales price items. $25.40. I would use $5 in register rewards and throw in $20 in Walgreens cash. You would have 2 12-packs of pop, and then 2 pizzas. Perfect for a little New Year's Eve party. The video from yesterday is linked right here, along with how to coupon at Walgreens. Check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.